Hello kids, hope all of you are keeping safe and happy. This video contains a translation of the lesson Mujhse Kuch Chipana. In fact, not a lesson, it's a letter. It has been written by Adi Tata and this is taken from grade 7 textbook Utkarsh. Let's start off with the translation. Mujhse Kuch Chipana. This means do not hide anything from me. Mat Chipana means do not hide. आप जानते ही हैं कभी उच्च शिक्षा के लिए भारतीय युवकों को विदेश ही जाना होता था. Some time back, for higher education, Indian men or Indian youth had to go to foreign countries. अंग्रेजी राज में भारत में उच्च शिक्षा के संस्थान बहुत कम थे. During the British rule, there were very few higher educational institutions in India. उच्च शिक्षा means higher education, sansthan means institutions. Angrezi Raj mein means in British, during the British reign. उच्च शिक्षा के इच्छुक अधिकांश युवा जिन देशों में जाते थे वहां के युवाओं की मानसिकता अलग होती थी. Majority of the youth who were desirous of higher education, whichever foreign country they used to visit, the mindset of the youth of that particular country was very different from theirs. Ichuk means desirous, Adhikansh means majority, Manasikta means mindset, Alag hoti thi means used to be different. विशेषकर इंग्लैंड के युवाओं की, स्पेशली द यूथ ऑफ इंग्लैंड. विदेशों में भारतीय युवाओं को विभिन्न स्थितियों से दो चार होना पड़ता था. In foreign countries, Indian youth had to face and cope up with different kinds of situations. विभिन्न means different, स्थितियां means situations, दो चार होना पड़ता था means they had to meet and or come across and cope up. पाठ प्रवेश. Now we are entering the lesson. टाटा परिवार की नई पीढ़ी के सदस्य जहांगीर को उच्च शिक्षा के लिए इंग्लैंड भेजा गया. Jahangir, he was a member of the new generation of the Tata family, and for higher education, he was sent to England. Nai Pidhi means new generation, Sadasya means member, उच्च शिक्षा higher education. जहांगीर ने वहां से अपने माता पिता को लिखे पत्र में अपने समाचार देने के साथ ही सहपाठियों के बारे में अपने विचार भी लिखे. During those times, there were no mobile like WhatsApp, internet, email and all. So they used to write letters. So the letter which Jahangir wrote to his father and mother, in that, along with his own news, he wrote his thinking or his thoughts about his classmates. Patra means letter, Samachar means news, Sahapati means classmates, अपने विचार means his opinion. वह पत्र पढ़कर उनके पिता R.D. टाटा चिंतित हुए. Reading that letter, his father R.D. Tata, he got a bit thoughtful. चिंतित हुए means a bit thoughtful or he got a bit tensed up. जवाबी पत्र में उन्होंने बेटे जहांगीर को उसके भावी जीवन के लिए एक अनूठी सीख दी. In the reply to his son's letter, his father gave him a very unique lesson for his future. Jawabi patra means in reply to his letter. Bhavi Jeevan means future life. Anuthi Seekh means, Anuthi means unique, Seekh means lesson. I hope you understood this part of the letter. Mumbai, 4 November 1921. Before Mumbai was known as Bombay or Bombay, but now it is known as Mumbai. So this is written in 1921. This letter has been written by R.D. Tata to his son Jahangir R.D. Tata. Priya Jahangir, डियर जहांगीर, मैं इंग्लैंड से तुम्हारा पहला पत्र पाकर बेहद खुश हुआ. I became very happy having received your first letter from England. बेहद खुश हुआ means I became very happy. Here the father is writing to his son. Father is in Mumbai and son is in England and he has gone to England for his higher education. मुझे आशा है कि तुम्हें यह याद होगा कि ये तुम्हारे छात्र जीवन के आखिरी 12 महीने हैं और तुम इस अवसर का पूरी तरह लाभ उठाओगे. I hope that you remember that these are the last 12 months of your student life and you will reap the maximum benefit of this occasion. छात्र जीवन means student life. आखिरी the last, महीने months, इस अवसर का means of this occasion. लाभ उठाओगे means you will reap the benefits. खेलकूद के माध्यम से तुम्हें अंग्रेजी लड़कों के चरित्र के हर पहलू की जानकारी मिल जाएगी, पर तुम्हें उनके साथ खुले दिल से मिलना जुलना चाहिए और उनके प्रति पूर्वाग्रही नहीं होना चाहिए. Through the medium of sports, you will be able to have the knowledge of each and every aspect of the character of these English boys. But you will have to meet them or play with them with open mind, and you should not have a preconceived notion about their character or behavior. खेलकूद के माध्यम से means through sports. अंग्रेजी लड़कों के means of English boys. चरित्र, character और nature. हर पहलू की every aspect. जानकारी, knowledge. खुले दिल से with open mind. पूर्वाग्रही means with a preconceived notion. Here the father wants to tell the son that you should meet the English people, play with them. Because sports is the best way through which you can understand the nature of somebody else. But for that, he's asking his son to meet the English boys or to play with them open-mindedly. And he should not have preconceived notion that these children are not good or they don't like Indians or any such notion. मुझे यह जानकर बेहद दुख हुआ कि तुम्हें स्कूल में गए 1 सप्ताह भी नहीं हुआ था कि तुमने सभी लड़कों का आकलन पूरी तरह झूठे. मुझे यह जानकर बेहद दुख हुआ. I felt very sad knowing this, that it's not even 1 week since you have gone to the school and you have described those boys as big liars. सप्ताह means week, आकलन means describe. लापरवाह कहकर किया था. लापरवाह means careless. So this son, Jahangir, had described the English boys as careless in his letter to his father. So the father was talking about that. यदि तुम लोगों के बारे में विचार इतनी जल्दी कायम करते हो, तो जब तुम इस दुनिया में वयस्क के रूप में प्रवेश करोगे, तो निश्चित रूप से असफल रहोगे. If you form opinion about people so fast, then when you enter this world as an adult, you'll definitely be unsuccessful. विचार means opinion. कायम करते हो means form. वयस्क के रूप में in the form of adult. प्रवेश करोगे when you enter. निश्चित रूप से means definitely. असफल means unsuccessful. किसी भी चीज के 2 पहलू होते हैं, सकारात्मक और नकारात्मक. Anything has got 2 aspects, the positive aspect and the negative aspect. 2 पहलू means 2 aspects. सकारात्मक means the optimistic or the positive. नकारात्मक means negative. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम सकारात्मक पहलू देखना ही नहीं चाहते. It seems as if you don't even want to see the positive aspect. सकारात्मक पहलू means positive aspect. इसलिए पिता के रूप में मैं तुम्हें सुझाव देता हूं कि तुम उनके बारे में पूर्वाग्रही होने के बजाय उनसे मित्रता करने की कोशिश करो. That is why, as a father, I would like to suggest you that instead of having a preconceived notion about them, you should try to develop friendship with them. Sujhav means suggestion. Purvagrahi means preconceived notion. Bajai means instead of. Mitrata, friendship. कोशिश करो, try. मैं तुम्हें भरोसा दिलाता हूं कि उनमें से कुछ को तो तुम बिल्कुल अलग तरह का पाओगे. I can assure you that few of them would be totally different from what you think about them. Jahangir had written to his father that they are mostly liars, they lie a lot, and that they are very careless. But his father wanted him to see the positive aspect or the optimistic view about their nature. And he told that in case he plays with them with open-hearted approach, he will definitely find few of them to be totally different. यदि तुम मेरे सुझावों का पालन करोगे तो मुझे बेहद खुशी होगी. If you follow my suggestions, I'll be very happy. सुझाव means suggestions, पालन करोगे means if you follow. खेलकर, खुलकर खेलकूद में भाग लो और हर किसी के कप्तान बन जाओ. Open-mindedly participate in sports and become everybody's captain. भाग लो means participate, कप्तान means captain. मुझे आशा है कि तुमने तैराकी में भाग लिया और बॉक्सिंग का भी अभ्यास कर रहे हो. I'm happy that you participated in swimming and you're practicing boxing as well. तैराकी means swimming, boxing, and abhyas means practice. हाँ, अपनी लंबी तुम्हें गणित के साथ साथ रसायन शास्त्र पर भी पूरा ध्यान देना चाहिए. गणित means mathematics, रसायन शास्त्र means chemistry. ध्यान देना चाहिए means you should concentrate. Along with mathematics, you should pay full attention to chemistry as well. तुमने फ्रेंच सीखने का विचार छोड़कर अच्छा किया, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी फ्रेंच से बहुत अलग तरह की भाषा है. You did good by leaving the thought of learning French because English is a very different language as compared to French. बहुत अलग तरह की भाषा है means it's a very different language. मुझे हर हफ्ते पत्र के माध्यम से अपनी हर बात लिखना. हर हफ्ते means every week. You should write to me every week through a letter and tell me everything about yourself. मुझसे कुछ मत छिपाना. Do not hide anything from me. मैं सिर्फ तुम्हें प्यार करने वाला पिता ही नहीं, तुम्हारा सबसे अच्छा मित्र भी हूं. I'm not only a very loving father, but I'm also a very good friend. यदि तुमसे कोई गलती भी हो जाए तो तुम्हें मुझे बताना चाहिए. Even if you commit a mistake, you should let me know. गलती means mistake. विदा प्यारे बेटे. विदा means adieu. Bye my son. मेरा प्यार स्वीकार करना. Please accept my love. स्वीकार करना means accept. सभी के प्रति अच्छे और विनम्र बने रहना. Be very good and soft spoken towards everybody. तुम्हारा पापा. Your father. This is how he ends the letter. So it's a lesson to his son. The unique lesson that he gives his son is that he should never form an opinion very fast about someone. That is very wrong because it takes time to understand and know about people. Fine. I hope you all understood this lesson. Please do let me know in case you want any more clarification or if you want me to clarify or answer some questions. Please feel free to contact me. You can just write in the comments, I'll definitely answer you. Thanks for watching Kids Hub. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Stay safe and stay happy. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep me motivated. Thank you. Bye bye.